I just want to mention also that there's an author I love a lot. His name is David Abrams, and he wrote a book about nature called The Spell of the Sensuous. And he believed that the senses were an important key in how we connected with the earth. But most importantly, he believed that knowledge arrives through that personal, interactive sensory participation with the environment that you are in. So we do very place-based informational gathering. We have exercises that support one to really connect with the textures, the sounds, the opportunity to really feel all of the senses within the environment that we are in. And this is part of what I'd call the contemplative and rather extensive exercises that support a personal growth and a connective growth. So we all get to be part of what I call the web of life.